Welcome back. We're going beyond the typical marshmallow today, and we are building a hot chocolate bar. This is something that is going to be really festive and entertaining for all of your holiday gatherings. It is a Latta sweet stuff, and Noah Latta is back with us in the kitchen. Thank you for being with us.
Oh, no problem. I'm glad to be here. It's Saturday's your last day, but I'm glad I could be here for it.
I'm glad you could be here too, because these are some of my favorite segments, and you always have something so great for us to work on.
You betcha.
Where do you want to get started?
So the first thing we're going to talk about is these pirouettes with melted chocolate and peppermint.
Okay.
So these, we have chocolate and vanilla. I'm going to do the vanilla because I hate chocolate and I'd rather not touch it if I can avoid it.
Okay.
So for these, they break easy, I'll tell you that much. But anyways, so these are just the kind of ones where it's like the straw with the stuff on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
So all you do is you melt the chocolate, the melting chocolate, and then you grab like wax paper or something is what we did, and then we just pour it out of the cup and spread it on there pretty loosely. And then we grab another sheet of wax paper and spread a bunch of peppermint on it. And then we take our stick, and then we would like roll it in the hot chocolate and roll it in the peppermint, and then it makes this.
What a great idea. And you said you could just stick that in our hot chocolate.
Stick it in. We
That's
don't have hot
perfect.
chocolate to demonstrate, but
No, but we get the idea. What's next?
I believe it is these marshmallow dipper things.
Yes.
I don't have a proper name for them, but marshmallow dippers is what we'll call them.
Okay,
So
how'd you make
these
those?
are also simple.
Uh-huh.
Just take your marshmallow, dip it in the hot chocolate, not hot chocolate, melted chocolate, and then put the peppermint on the bottom, like dip in some peppermint, and then take a candy cane, like these here. Of course, you'd want more of a mini candy cane, and then just plonk it down in the center.
And that
now
also could go
you can
inside.
just-
And the candy cane could hang it over the edge,
Yeah,
couldn't
it could. Sure could.
All right, let's talk about the stirring spoons.
All right, I'm gonna move this sign so we can see better.
Okay.
So we have 4 kinds here. They're all similarly made. So these are caramel with sea salt. These are chocolate with marshmallows, chocolate with sprinkles, and chocolate with peppermint. For all of them, we just melted it. Then we took our plastic spoon, we went down the cup, and we scooped a big heaping scoop. And then we just, while it was still soft, we topped it with whatever we could. And you just wait for them to dry, and there you go. And these, you can just take your hot chocolate. I will pretend this is a mug. Put it in, stir it around, and then
now
it
you
adds
have
the flavor.
flavors. That's
You betcha.
brilliant.
So honestly, some of people could probably just eat this.
I think that's what a lot of people would do, but it looks wonderful. Finally, we have an idea with
are my
Marshmallow's Snowmen, and they're going to top our hot chocolate too. We're going to make some, right?
Yeah, because
do we
these
do
could go like on top of the mug, just chilling out.
Yep, soaking it up.
All right, so for these, I'm gonna come on over here so you
Okay.
can see better. So we need 3 marshmallows and 2 pretzel sticks.
Okay.
I've already broken one in half for us.
Thank you.
So we just take a pretzel stick
All right.
and stab a marshmallow. Get stabby with it.
Okay, am I taking a long one or a short one first?
Long.
All right.
Full pretzel stick.
All right.
And then you just push a second marshmallow on.
Okay.
It'll get a bit sticky on the stick, but it's a stick anyway, so it's already sticky.
Yeah, that's okay.
All right. Put your 3 marshmallows on.
Okay.
Yep, just kind of try and push them as close together as you can. You don't want as many gaps.
Don't want a gap.
And
Got
then
it.
you'll have your little body.
Okay, so I've got the body. Now what?
Take your other half pretzel sticks.
Okay.
Stick them into each side as arms.
Okay, and the second one?
Yep.
Perfect.
Then I'm just gonna, this is an optional touch, but I'm just gonna do it to make mine even cuter. You
That's
can
adorable.
take your frosting.
You said to create a nose and an eye and that kind of stuff?
Boop. Boop. Yep. There, those ones don't even have mouths, but mine does.
Perfect.
All right,
I'll give you the
here's my
carrot
fork.
nose. And we're going to finish these up. No, these are great
These are
ideas. You
masterpieces.
always post like really cute stuff on your Instagram. What is that?
A lot of sweet stuff, just like the name of this segment. Also,
Adorable.
I am pleased with my snowman. He is adorable.
Let me see. So cute.
I love his
Great
smile.
stuff. Mine turned out all right too. We will be right back.